Is your garage door opener suddenly unresponsive, leaving you stranded outside? It might be more than just a dead battery. The garage door circuit board, the brain behind your door's movement, could be the culprit. When this critical component fails, your door opener may stop responding to remote commands, wall-mounted buttons, or keypads. You might notice the motor isn't running, lights flickering, or hear a clicking noise without any movement. Power surges, moisture damage, or general wear and tear are common causes of circuit board failure, especially in areas like Flower Mound, Texas. Look out for signs like unresponsive controls, intermittent operation, flashing opener lights, or even burn marks and a burning smell. Diagnosing a faulty circuit board involves checking the power supply, testing the remote and wall switch, and observing the opener's LED lights. If you see visible damage like burn marks or loose connections on the circuit board, it's time to call a professional. Professional garage door repair services can inspect, test, and replace the circuit board, ensuring your door operates smoothly again. Prevent future failures by using a surge protector, keeping the opener dry, scheduling regular maintenance, and avoiding frequent manual operation.